welcome back to my channel. Today's content is going to be a weekend in my life type of vlog. Today is Saturday. I actually woke up at like 7 today and I edited a video, I played some piano, I chatted with you guys on a premiere, and I just played some guitar. This morning I have just been awaiting for my package and super excited about it. So I will show you guys what that is. So I literally ordered a pair of Vans, and I don't know if you guys know about these Vans, but they're called the Mega Checkered Vans, and I saw them in Marla Catherine's video about how to make outfits more interesting, and once I saw them, I was just completely in love, so I searched them up online. So I bought them because I have been wearing the same Adidas Superstars for literally years, and recently I've been wearing them every single day, and they're just super out of style and not really my favorite, and I just feel like I had no other shoes to wear, so that's what I wear every single day. Burning cities in. So the plan for the rest of today is we're gonna be going grocery shopping. I might shop for a new bra. My sister got a great score in her SAT, so we're gonna eat some pho noodles. So today will be a very fun day, but this morning has just been kind of a productive morning. My mom's been yelling at me all day to get off my phone, so I'm just gonna talk to a camera because I'm lonely. I have never owned a pair of Vans, and I don't really know how they're gonna fit, but I'm super excited for them. I actually kind of thought Vans are ugly before. Look how they're just so different. I know that they're still neutral color, but I just like how they're not just the basic checkered, the white one. When you can't decide if you want black or white, this is what you get. I have not bought a new pair of sneakers in literally a year, so that's why I'm super excited. They're like slip-ons, and I have a really wide foot, so let's just pray that they fit. Oof, let's go. When I get new shoes, I'm that little kid that's super excited when they buy new stuff and I wear it all around the house, so I'm probably gonna be wearing these shoes all today. I heard that the slip-ons stretch over time, so let's hope that happens. Because I literally have the thickest foot ever. This shouldn't be this hard for me, but it really is. Why am I stupid? I literally have the widest foot, guys. I just feel great. Okay, now we're gonna walk around with them, and it's just gonna be a fashion show. So now that we have the freaking shoes on, we are going to do a little lookbook-esque type of thing in this vlog, and I wanted to show you guys what these shoes look like for daily wear. So let's go. Sure, I got a freaking cold. That was me trying to model outdoors. Please applaud me on my efforts because that was really physically straining. Hi Dad, do you like my shoes?
Yeah, so good.
Every sha-la-la-la-la, every woo.
Just like these.
I don't know if you guys knew, but I'm a guitar prodigy. Are you insecure about your singing?
Yeah, I'm just for myself.
Oh, you wanna watch? I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Burning cities and napalm skies. 15 flares inside those ocean eyes. Ocean eyes and how fast. Through careful creature made friends with time. You really know how to make me cry. Now I fall from quite this high. I'm the boy in the bubble, but then came trouble, and my heart was pumping, chest was screaming, mind was running, air was freezing, sitting out on the way black and blue. I told this kid I'm ready for a fight. Come the lightning and the thunder, you're the one who suffer, suffer. Down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down. So I'm pretty sure you guys have heard enough voice cracks for today. I'll see you guys soon. Mom, I'm actually gonna hang out with my friends Mia and Julia. I just hung out with Julia and Bella yesterday, but me and Mia and Julia haven't hung out together in a very long time. So we're gonna be hanging out later at 4:30. So today's gonna be a very eventful day, and I love these like busy yet really fun days. I haven't had to do many serious tasks today, and it's just nice to spend time with family and then spend time with friends and just have a great time. Stop judging me. Hi, Michael Long. Michael, isn't it kind of sad that our basketball hoop's like slanted? Hey, babe. And that's my sister. Uh-huh.
I'll be straight up honest with you and I won't lie. There's a lot of things in this world, but for me the sweet life is what I want to live. And I don't want to put a facade on. I hope that's not what you want. Longing for those summer nights and endless days. There's no stress of papers due every other day. For me it's a sweet life.
So we are going to head to Marshall's so we can return all the Ray-Dun stuff that me and my sister unsuccessfully sold. So we are driving through Shoppers World, and I literally want to bawl my eyes out because I'm so freaking tired.
Toward the sky, 'cause God's creation.
I used to find a ton of cute clothes at Marshall's and it was like totally my thing. But now my style has changed so much, and like so now I really can't find any clothes at Marshall's, so it really takes the fun away from me.
In a place where I
actually see myself wearing this polo. This is low-key kind of cute.
shine on my face.
So these are the first pair of pants. I'm not crazy about them, but I don't hate them either. I think I definitely like these pants better. They were really long at the end, so I just tied them like that, but I kind of like it. Michael is heading to the dressing room. I was literally just in the dressing room, and all I really liked was the bathing suit, to be honest. I was actually here last week with my friend Gabriella. We literally just sat in there for a good hour. I'm literally gonna just lounge in here and just show people how comfortable it is. 50% off. You should totally buy it. I'm like super easy at getting judged in public, and I'm a big fan of it, so let me know if you guys want me to do any social experiments or like things in public, because I'm honestly down. Hey guys, so I literally just fell asleep and now I woke up because they called my name on the announcer, probably because my family's looking for me. Literally a mess, but I think that I was promoting that product. We are currently at Julia's house and we are waiting for Miss Me and Me. Me and Mia's finally arrived. I think we're gonna go take a walk to like Starbucks. I kind of just want to sit down. I just want to be able to talk. Oh my gosh, that's like fetus Mia Me. Hilarious.
I look so different.
Are you filming, Annie? Yeah. Literally, look how we're all wearing Vans. Like, I love this.
We're so trendy.
We're all wearing like white and
Mine's
like.
from God's lineup though, in like.
Oh wait, this is perfect. Oh wait, I'm checkered.
No ASMR. Look, the bad editor.
Instead of going to Starbucks, we decided to go to Dunkin' Donuts because donuts are freaking better.
Sad.
Oops. Can you hold my camera when I try to jump the fence? Grab my phone.
Editing skills.
I'm not in the right.
You just swing your leg around. Yes, Annie. Annie. Annie.
Oh, I love that. That impact. Oh my gosh.
I can recreate the Titanic scene.
No, we're gonna die. No.
Oh my god. Like and subscribe.
Sorry. Please, God. Ready? Don't break yourself. This stupid love's got me green.
Oh my god. Oh, yes, Julia. Today we're going to teach you how to do gymnastics, Annie.
It's freaking freezing though.
From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Could you find a way to let me down slowly? If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly.
Cold skin, down my feet on the towel.
Oh my gosh. Frick yes. Sorry, Julia.
Can give me the truth. Me and my girls will Getting down before I break
We're
myself.
so stupid.
So me and
I'm
you
pretty sure
guys.
it's lost hair.
Don't we all want to be Julia?
I'm on the deep end.
Let's get into the living room. And the boy in the bubble.
Hey guys, we're currently at Target and we're gonna get some ice cream and frozen pizza. Basically like lost my phone, but we found it again. I left it at the playground because I'm so freaking stupid and I'm honestly kind of embarrassed about it.
I'm just like so grateful to have a phone, and like I can't believe that I would put myself in risk of losing it. So I'm so sorry to my parents watching this. I am going to try to be responsible, but I honestly feel so embarrassed that I even left my phone at the playground.
I haven't been in Target since back to school season. I love how these shirts are like $5. This would be perfect for when I went into my little preppy phase.
Oh my god, I love that.
Kind of cute.
How much is it?
It's $7.
But at the same time, you could literally go to Savers and buy kids tank top.
At this point, I'm kind of just like, people don't have to like me and I don't have to care.
But if it's like with someone that I really like cared about, and they didn't like me, like, oh, that would hurt. You can be really confident in yourself, but no one's like ever gonna be like 100%. I don't care. Everyone cares in some point of level. I care about specific things.
I used to care a lot, but now I'm like, you know, if someone doesn't like me, then they probably don't know me.
The goal is to have a group of people like you, and there's 8 billion people, so you have a lot of time. So if you can please 1 out of 8 billion of the people, which is very possible, then that's kind of all you need.
I think I've pleased you.
Yeah, definitely. We're pretty much a married couple. I'm never gonna put this on YouTube. I'm just gonna talk about why I think it's cute. So.
We're stocking up on the ice cream. I think we're gonna go with some Oreo ice cream. So we decided to get 2. Let's go.